What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hopefully you all had a good weekend. Let's hop into the crypto market. You can see bright first thing in the morning, Monday morning, some big time players. MYX up 200%, WorldCoin 32%, Kita 32%, Pudgy Penguins 13.5, SPX 12%. From a top five perspective, most of them are going to be plus or minus 1%, besides XRP up 3.30%. Currently sitting just under $3. And then top losers, you can see there's a little bit of an imbalance. Saros is going to be the biggest loser on the day so far. World Liberty Finance, Meme Coin, OKB, and Chrono CRO, which has been pumping over the last couple of months. On the day so far, you can see that everything is relatively green. Even if you go to volume change in the last 24 hours, very green. XRP plus 225%, WorldCoin 223. So a lot of money is flowing into the market right now. Even from a macro perspective, there's a lot of bullish sentiment. You're seeing a lot of things starting to come up about WorldCoin in the market too, which could be something that's leaning into that price pumping. And you can see Kathy Wood talking about institutions bringing trillions into Bitcoin. QuantumScape talking about solid state battery development, and so on and so forth. By the way, this is completely free to use. This is the crypto macro dashboard on the Epic Trading Floor website. So you just go to epictradingfloor.com, EPIC or EPIQ. I'll tag the link in the video as well as the description in the comments. But you could use this for free. There's a free academy and a couple other tools and services that would be free. And then if you want to get access to everything, which is the premium side, just check out the all access pass. You can also get access to that for 72 hours for free and 50% off the first month with the code EASY123. At this exact moment, the market is sitting pretty bullish, aka greedy. You can see a lot more buy signals across the board for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and total market cap. And even looking at this from a chart and TA perspective, you can see that there's a really nice volume point sitting at 104.6. We can see higher lows right now. A really nice play on price action at the moment, but what I would be watching for is the potential for a little bit of a bull trap. There were a lot of people that were waiting for this liquid sweep down to 100,000. We didn't quite get there, and we're seeing this push up now. So I wouldn't be surprised if these people start to pull bullish at this point, and then we potentially see price come back down, retest for a longer term support, maybe a double bottom, maybe a liquidity sweep, maybe actually a retest of the zone, whatever it may be, before a true strong push to the upside. Now, the other side of that is if this does continue to go bullish because we have pulled down and gotten to the epic golden pocket, if we do want to break topside, and if we wanted to break the all-time high, which is just at about 124.4, we could easily see this play into the 138 to 146 range. Just getting close to that 150,000, which I truly believe Bitcoin can get anywhere from 150 to 185,000 once we start to really kick off the parabolic altcoin season, which I truly believe is just around the corner. I'm definitely going to be adding a few positions and things going into the week, so if you want to stay up to date with that, definitely go check out the Epic Trading Floor, and if you want to access my trades and all of that, that's part of the all access pass. So I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening. Happy trading. I hope you make a bag, and I will see you on the next video.